Shane Creation PK classes by Prashant sir. Please subscribe our YouTube channel Shane Creation and press the bell icon. Hello Chhatra Mitro, I am Prashant. Welcome in your tutorial Family Shane Creation PK classes. You haven't subscribed it, then please subscribe now and press the bell icon to watch our video first, because there is a lot of to learn. Today we are seeing lesson number 11, Ancient India and the World, Standard 6, History Maharashtra Board. Let's watch to learn. In this lesson you will know about ancient India and the world. Please go and watch previous lessons which we have provided the link in description box and will appear as a card. Then when you will watch previous series, it will be help you to understand history. All links of these series videos are given in description box. In this lesson you will know two main topics. Number one, relation of India with the countries of the West. Point number two, India and the countries of
the Asia.
Point number one, the main 8 topics we have learned in the topic number 1. Point number 1, India had trade relation with Western countries since the days of Harappan civilization. Point number 2, Buddhism had spread in Afghanistan and Central Asia. Point number 3, India contact with Western world increased with trade relations with Iran. Point number 4, the Greek historian informed the people in the West about India. Point number 5, the route by which Alexander had invaded India was later opened up for trade relation. Point number 6, the Greek art of sculpture had greatly influenced and the Gandhar school of art emerged. Point number 7, India's trade relation with Rome further enhanced in the 1st and 2nd century AD. The evidence of trade relations have been found at Kolhapur in Maharashtra and Arikamid in Tamil Nadu. Point number 8, during this period Arabs were important traders who took Indians goods to the Egyptian port of Alexandria. They also took Indian science and philosophy as also the concept of zero in mathematics to Europe. The second main point, India and the Asian countries. Point number 1, India has close relation with Myanmar, Thailand, Indonesia, Sri Lanka, Cambodia and China. Number 2, Indian missionaries took Buddhism to the countries of Asia. Number 3, Indian philosophy, culture, ideas of relation also reached these countries. Number 4, India had trade relation with Sri Lanka and China. Number 5, India has left a deep imprint on the art and culture of Asia. Thus our summary is completed. Now we describe all pictures which is given in your textbook. The first picture is a sculpture in Gandhara style on a stupa at Hadda in Afghanistan. Under the influence of the Greek art of sculpture, a new form of art emerged in India during the Kusana period. It is called Gandhar School of Art. This sculpture was founded in 1st or 2nd century in Hadda, the Gandhara region of Afghanistan. Hadda is a Greco-Buddhist archaeological site located in the ancient region of Gandhara, 10 km south city of Jalalabad in Nangarhar province of eastern Afghanistan. In the image was shown a Greek costume, amphora and musical instruments. This picture is a statue of Gautam Buddha in a museum in Paris in the style Gandhara style. As you know, in the Gandhar art school, images of Gautam Buddha were mainly carved, as these images were mostly found in Gandhara region of Afghanistan, and this style is called Gandhara style. In this picture, it is an image of a gold coin of the Roman Emperor Augustus found at Arikamedu. The excavation at Arikamedu in Tamil Nadu have found the gold coins and have also brought to light many articles made in Rome. It was happened due to a trade relation between India and Rome. In this picture, it is an image, a wall painting in the Sigiriya caves. The Sigiriya frescoes were painted on the western surface of Sigiriya rock located in central Sri Lanka. It's painted 1300 years ago. They were the highlights of a massive palaces complex built in 480 AD by King Kashyap. The Sigiriya frescoes paintings the technique of foremost wall paintings of any period in part of the world. In this picture, lovely maiden that resides in the Sigiriya frescoes painting have dressed their hair peeled up high to show their oval faces of lustrous complexion. They have heavy breasts and their eyes express moods from vivacity to serenity. They wear elaborate jewels on their hair, ears and arms. Large hooped earring dangles from their ears and they wear armlets as well as bangles. Now it's the map of India and Asia trade route. Question number 6. Mark the countries of Southeast Asia mentioned in the chapter on an outline map. First Myanmar, second Cambodia, third Thailand and fourth Indonesia. Question number 6. I have pointed the countries in Southeast Asia mentioned in different color for this map. Suppose red for Myanmar, blue for Cambodia, yellow for Thailand and green for Indonesia. In this way, our number 11, ancient India and the world Now in share, we hope that you will like the information given by us. Thanks for watching. Please like our YouTube channel Sing Creation. For more information like this, subscribe and press the bell icon.